as a solution, a proposed solution to deal with these larger problems and challenges that the entire world confronts today. I know that as soon as we hear the word yoga as a solution for global issues, we are skeptical. How can a system of exercise, how can a system of breathing be a solution to global issues and problems? Which is why I very strongly and firmly believe that we have to start thinking about yoga as more than exercise. We have to start thinking about yoga as dimensions which has the tenets to offer us solutions to our global problems. This morning I thought I would present to you 3 dimensions of yoga that can truly help us deal with climate change and address the issues that the UN is trying to address through the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals. The first dimension is the philosophy of yoga.